Hi guys, welcome to Juli Atelier channel. Let's decorate Easter egg today using decoupage technique. We will need an egg-shaped base and white acrylic water-based paint as a primer. So let's start. First I applied white paint as a primer and let it dry, and I recommend to do it several times. Water-based acrylic paint is non-toxic and dries very quickly. Several layers of primer will make the surface smoother. And then, based on the same paint, we will mix brown and some drop of yellow color to get such a beautiful warm beige tone. So I will mix it, and I recommend to use synthetic brush. It's more stronger and you wouldn't be worried to destroy it. But I will apply this color with a sponge like this. So you can enjoy the process. I adore decoupage technique because you can decorate everything what you can imagine, and it will be unique. While the base dries again, we will select motifs on a napkin, and first we separate the top layer of the napkin with the print. And I like these roses, this small one, so two of them. You can cut with scissors this pattern. I will tear off my fingers. So don't hurry up, enjoy the process. And when all the images will be ready, we will glue them using water-based acrylic varnish. I use also a synthetic brush and apply varnish over the drawing like this. You will see now. And you can imagine it could be if we were drawing a sun from the center to the edge. You should push a little bit your brush, and this acrylic varnish also dries very quickly. But if you want to make this process more faster, you can use air dryer. So I put another button. And that roses, I think, are so cute. And romantic. So I want to add some more flowers, just small piece. And after it will be dry, I want to add shabby chic effect. So for the dark green drops, I will mix a little brown and dark blue paint. So, and I add water. The paint should be more liquid. So now we will make drops like splash. So I make splashes on the surface of the egg, and please don't forget to wash your hands afterwards. Well, let's add small green bow. After this, so you can see the ribbon behind me. Yeah, some more splashes. Of course we will let it dry, but it wouldn't be a long process. Some more drops. So we have this, and now we will add a small green bow to our Easter decoration to be ready. If you want to see more workshops, tutorials, so please follow me, and you can visit my website dmuch.com and join to my classes. So, several last things. Yeah. So here you are. Look. Our Easter egg is ready, and I think it's very, very, very nice. So thank you for watching, and thank you for adding me and follow me